Hey guys, King Size Customs here. Little bit of a video that's not. Some of you guys probably won't be too excited, but what I'm trying to do here is, and this will be part of a series, since it's getting cooler, and by that I mean colder, not cooler as in, yeah, right, dude, it's totally tubular and cool. Yeah, that's my bad 70s, I guess, cool person speech. Anyway, I had come into a lot, I had bought a lot of houses for HO scale trains, which I do have an HO scale train, just not set up, it's packed away. But, and if you guys are like veterans of the channel, seniors of the channel, you'll remember that. But these make great diorama pieces for 164 scale. Now, I mean, some things kind of don't fit too well, like, here, let me grab the Broncosito. But yeah, you see how the Bronco is kind of bigger than the restaurant itself, and it can't really fit through the drive-through. Let me get my fat fingers out of the way, but see, it can't really fit through the drive-through. But it can fit in the parking lot that I'm going to make. This, underneath this base here, is all just a cereal box, and I know the cuts aren't perfect, but for the moment, this will all be painted in a color called asphalt, again, acrylic. The sign was actually pretty cheesy here. So all I did was just laid a little bit of white. This is an 80s style looking Burger King, so it's an 80s kit. They make a more modern one that you can put together. This I got pre-assembled, and I myself have been trying to paint it. Now I know that looks bad, so I'll go back over it in a little bit, but that's kind of how my Burger King looked in the 90s. The brick was painted white instead of having the brown brick, so, and then the roof was blue, the lines here were red, and you had an orange or a yellowish stripe on the roof. So I'm going to go back to painting it for a little bit, and then the reason why I made this video, and this is going to be part of a series, I still need to work on tomorrow's truck and talk, so. Alright guys, one other thing, the doors will be black, and then in another video, I'm going to try to build a more realistic interior for it, since this pretty much is just a building that has nothing. So, well, alright guys, I'm going to get back to painting, and then show you from there. Later. That'll be in a different video. There'll be a playlist for this called Burger King Renovation. So, later.